Hi everyone, this is Nicole Schwedhelm and Addie Azevedo's project on President John F. Kennedy. So first, we want to go over what impact President Kennedy had on civil rights. So he was actually a friend of Martin Luther King Jr., and he announced that major civil rights legislation would be submitted to the Congress to guarantee equal access to all public facilities. He also wanted to end segregation in education and provide federal protection of the right to vote. Although President Kennedy did not technically appear in the Supreme Court or was really ever involved in any court cases, he did appoint 2 Supreme Court justices during his term, and they were Arthur Goldberg and Byron White. Therefore, as he was not involved in any Supreme Court cases, there was no discrimination applied, which would be the answer to our third question of discrimination being de facto or de jure.
The topic of slide 4 is how President Kennedy relates to the Bill of Rights. In addition to the original Bill of Rights, Kennedy also endorsed the Consumer Bill of Rights. The Consumer Bill of Rights includes 4 basic rights: the right to safety, the right to be informed, the right to choose, and the right to be heard. Slide 5. Is there anything to celebrate or honor John F. Kennedy? Although we don't have a specific day in which we celebrate him, we could celebrate him on President's Day, so if you really wanted to celebrate JFK, you could do that on President's Day. There is a John F. Kennedy Presidential Library and Museum, as well as another museum in Dallas, Texas, which is the location of the former Texas School Book Depository building, and this is the exact location where JFK was assassinated. Slide 6. How do we see John F. Kennedy today? President Kennedy has a special place in many Americans' hearts. He is tied to the idea of hope, promise, and a leadership example that inspires many people to this day. People are still inspired by John F. Kennedy. All the photographs, all the films show him in the prime of his life. It is almost as if he is a moment frozen in time. His legacy is a vision of political action and public service based on courage, service, inclusion, and innovation.